Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the CEO of a company on Google Finance. Whether you're doing financial research, preparing for a business meeting, or just curious about company leadership, Google Finance provides an easy and reliable way to find this information. Start by navigating to Google Finance in your web browser. Once you're on Google Finance, search for the company you want. For example, you might type Apple Inc. or Tesla Inc. into the search bar. Google Finance will display the company overview along with stock details, market data, and a range of additional insights. Scrolling down, you'll find a section labeled About. Here, Google Finance lists key executives, including the CEO, CFO, and other leadership roles. Clicking on the CEO's name often takes you to more detailed information about them, including professional history, tenure at the company, and links to relevant news articles. This can give you context on how leadership decisions might affect company performance and strategy. It's worth noting that Google Finance updates its data regularly, so you'll usually see the most current information about leadership changes. You can use this method for most publicly listed companies, making it a consistent and reliable way to get executive information quickly. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily find the CEO of any company on Google Finance and gain deeper insights into their leadership. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials on business tools and finance tips.